Olá! Hoje é Halloween e as minhas crianças estão fazendo uma bagunça aqui. Hey Ellie, what are you doing?
Making a fake pizza.
Pizza, but it's normal pizza? What kind of pizza are you making?
I don't know yet.
It looks like a buggy and some insects eye. Look at this eye. This looks scary.
And I'm also doing more eyes.
Yuck. And about you, Jason, what are you making? Pizza too?
Yeah.
And let's see, what kind of pizza are you making?
Stretch it out long like that. You want it to be long so it can...
This is bloating, Jason.
What?
This is bloating. What is this?
Frosting. It's sauce.
Oh. But it looks like bloating. And what are you gonna do next?
I'm ready.
The muffins? Oh, the brownies? This one there?
I'm done. Yeah, I'm done.
Oh, let's see. Whoa, this is disgusting.
It's not really real, it's just fake.
Oh, it's all candies?
Yeah.
So you can eat?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is just, it's not like that, it's frosting. And this is just a cookie.
Nice, Ellie. I like it. Do you want to put in this box?
Yes.
And make the next one?
And make my brownie. Brownie's next. How will I make a brownie?
Oh, I need do something before. Okay, guys, say bye.
Bye. Bye.